welcome back to the vlog. Tonight I'm doing 90's night at Disneyland and I wanted to bring you guys along for this, so let's get ready. The outfit theme today is a Goofy movie, mainly just a Max Disney bound outfit. Plan for tonight is just to experience a little bit of everything. The characters, the food, the parade. Honestly, not expecting to get through everything, so we'll just kind of go with the flow and see what we can see. The thing that I most want to do is the Powerline Goofy and Max dance party that's going to be in Tomorrowland. I think they did do meet and greets at the last 90's nights, but they were just so crazy popular that this time they're on a stage, so a bunch of people can see them at once. Fun little accessory for this Max outfit, which is a little handbag, literally, from Tokyo Disney. I think it's supposed to be a Mickey hand or maybe just a cartoon hand, but I thought it works for Max too. There is some rain and wind in the forecast for tonight, which makes me a little bit nervous, and I'm hoping it won't affect things too much. And I am planning to get to the park early while the sun is still out. I put my hair in pigtails because I thought that might be kind of like Max's ears. And I've also got a fun little hat to wear backwards like he does. Obviously this little bag doesn't hold that much, so for my actual bag I am using the trusty Bagoo with some fun themed bag charms. It's supposed to get pretty chilly tonight, so my plan for that is to bring some underneath layers, fleece leggings to go under the jeans, and a couple thermal heat tech tops to go underneath this. Hopefully that's going to be enough. I am very committed to this outfit. On a personal note, I have some exciting news. I invested in a new camera and microphone. Currently I'm filming on my phone, but I do plan to switch to this when I get to the park. I'm curious to see how much of a difference in the footage there might be and the audio. I know the audio has been kind of rough in some previous vlogs. I think that's everything prepped for tonight, so let's head to the park. Oh my goodness, it is freezing right now. As soon as I got to the parks, I already put on both the fleece leggings and the thermals underneath this. I'm okay for now, I think, but we'll see how things are when it gets to the nighttime. It is raining pretty good right now also. I tried to take some photos in Toontown while there was still some sunlight. It was kind of a struggle, but I think I got a couple good ones, hopefully. After all that and navigating the rain, I am starving. So I stopped at Red Rose Tavern and got a couple treats. What I got here is the chicken fantasy fairfold. It's kind of a new-ish item on the menu here. It's basically like a crunch wrap with chicken and cheese and hash browns inside. Ooh, it's like steaming. But there is what that looks like. So hungry right now, and I'm ready to like just inhale this. This is better than I was expecting. Very hearty for sure. Hash browns are a little bit mushy. I would have liked them to be a little bit crispier, but still pretty good, and it definitely hits the spot right now. Then I also got a tavern cold brew because it is, now that I'm thinking about it, a cold brew might have not been the best idea considering how cold it is right now. But I think I need some sort of caffeine or coffee to get me through the night. So hopefully I don't make myself colder from that. Pretty separated, so I'm gonna give this a good mix before I taste it. I think I have had this before. I don't know, I don't remember. I've had a lot of Disneyland cold brews. I would probably skip this and get the black calf instead if I were to choose between the cold brews, but this should do the job and still give me the caffeine boost that I need for tonight. About 5:30 now, and I just got my wristband for the event and got all checked in. On the Tuesday 90's night, there was kind of a chaotic incident that I heard about with Darkwing Duck and Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Instead of doing the whole wristband situation, it sounds like they're gonna do walk by meet and greet instead. before 7 o'clock now, and they just opened the Fantasyland Theater area where the Disney Afternoon characters are. And I think somebody just came out because a bunch of people started cheering. Oh, oh my goodness. Thank you. They're so cute. Oh, you look fabulous. Yes, I'm Max, Goofy's kid. Yeah. That was super cute. We got to see Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and Scrooge and Launchpad. So pretty much all the DuckTales characters. And there is a spot for Darkwing Duck here too, but he was not out yet. So we might have to come back to try to see him. Even though we didn't like stop and have a full interaction, we still kind of got to say hi to them and like take selfies and stuff. So it worked out pretty well. It's technically still before the event start time. So hopefully we'll have time to come back here to see Darkwing. Sorry, I feel like I'm yelling, but it's very loud and I'm not used to the microphone still. But while we're in this corner of the park, I wanted to hop to Toontown to show Goofy's house, because it's kind of on theme for today. There's a lot of little Easter eggs.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there! You won't get away with this pouring that dip, boy. Outside.
Back to the 90s with rad offerings like 90's on Parade and a fly sing-along. This night is sure to be all that and a bag of chips. Have a great time.
It is now 9 p.m. and the event has officially started. The music is 90s, the castle is 90s, even the Matterhorn is all decorated for 90's night. Well, kind of, it's a projection really, but very on theme. Currently, we are waiting for the parade. The ground is a little bit wet, the rain is not coming down right now. Hopefully it stays that way. Smiley's here with me today too, and she just picked up the Max as Powerline popcorn bucket. This is gigantic. I don't know how much it shows on camera, but it is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Another cool thing about this is that the strap is adjustable. I don't think that popcorn buckets here have had that before, or at least I haven't seen one with it. There's a little thing to adjust it. And Smiley herself has blinged out a Powerline hat for today too. Beautiful, shining bright like a diamond.
Thank you. That history, lifetime of memories. Yeah, we go back in time. We found each other. Yeah, we belong to the last forever. So come and sing along with me.
is so cool. Oh my goodness, I'm like freaking out at the fact that there's Hercules characters in it and the Muses, Hades, and Pain and Panic. They also used the song from Tokyo Disney, the current Tokyo Disney parade, which was interesting, but I'm here for it. Thank you so much. What you get? Got Chippendale Rescue Rangers.
That's cute. Tomorrow's layback on Friday.
We're back at the Fantasyland Theater now, hoping to try to catch Darkwing Duck. It seems like Huey, Dewey, and Louie and Darkwing switch out, so fingers crossed that he's out by the time we get down there.
Darkwing Duck, when there's trouble you call DW. Let's get dangerous.
Thank you. Thank you. Fabulous. Love it. Oh my goodness. Love it.
Love you. Bye. Yes.
That was so much fun. Hello. Awesome. Thank you so much. You too. Now heading to Tomorrowland for the Powerline dance party.
Literally, front row seats.
That's crazy. I could not believe that just happened.
I can't believe we got these seats. Amazing.
We're like freaking out right now.
Take it to the right. Whoop, there it is. Oh my goodness. Sexual. You were just looking at me and I'm like, I
we,
told you, like,
we looked at each other like, what? I feel like this vlog has been kind of chaotic so far, but that's kind of the reality of after dark events sometimes. We've been running around all over the park. I ended up canceling all of the mobile orders that I put in for the food because we were in line for characters and at the Powerline dance party for quite a while. And we would have to leave those to go pick up the foods because all of the other pickup slots were gone. So that was kind of sad, but we still had a lot of fun with Powerline. We went
absolutely wild there. We are so crazy sometimes, but we have so much fun. We did also try to see Chip and Dale in their Rescue Rangers outfits in Toontown, but their line was cut off. But we have about an hour left of the event to see the rest of the park and see what we can see. It is now about 1:30 a.m. and I just made it back to the car. We tried to get the buttons that they had for magic key holders, but by the time we got there, they were all out of them. So that was a little bit unfortunate, but there's a DJ at the Rivers of America. I'm like functioning on my last brain cell. There were a bunch of photo ops around the park also. I only got to one of them. I tried to do a couple others, but the lines were cut off within the last 40 minutes, 30 minutes of the event. A lot of things were pretty crowded, to be totally honest, and I feel like I didn't expect to get through everything at 90's Night, but I did kind of expect to get to a little bit more than what we were able to do today, if that makes sense. Attempted 3 times to see Darkwing Duck at the Fantasyland Theater, and we finally got to him while he was out on the 3rd try, but we did finally get to see him, so that was cool. Chip and Dale was cut off. Other characters that we didn't get to, like the Bugs Life characters, Tailspin characters, Esmeralda and Phoebus, a lot of the times when we walked by them, the line for them was cut off. But we did what we could, and the highlight of the night was definitely the Powerline Max and Goofy dance party. Be hearing like a lot of our singing. Hopefully that covers up the copyright issues of the music. The characters from the parade came out for a goodbye at 1 a.m. when the event ended, and I was able to catch them just as I was heading out, so that was really cool too. Overall, 90's Night was really fun. The vibes and the atmosphere was super cool, and what a day to test the new camera. Let me know what you think and how it looks. Hopefully this turned out okay, and if you made it this far into this wild and crazy vlog, let me know what your favorite 90's Disney movie is. Goofy movie is one of my favorites, but Hercules and Lion King are probably my other top 2. Thank you so much for watching and for being here, and I hope to see you in the next one.